Hello, today we'll be exploring the measles virus. Measles is a highly contagious viral disease caused by the measles virus, MEV, a single-stranded RNA virus in the Paramyxoviridae family, and it spreads easily through the respiratory droplets when an infected person breathes, coughs, or sneezes. It affects people of all ages, but is most common and severe in children, producing early symptoms such as high fever, cough, coryza, conjunctivitis, and Koplik spots, then followed by a maculopapular rash that spreads from the head downward about 14 days after exposure. The virus is believed to have originated from a zoonotic source, possibly transmitted from cattle or other hoofed animals. This research uses qualitative methods which involve collecting and analyzing non-numerical data to better understand measles, its transmission, and prevention strategies.
From 1757, Francis Home first drew the line, saying measles rose from an agent to infectious by design. By 1912, the US began to track its spread, 6,000 deaths each year, the reporters sadly read. By 2025, the numbers still climb and shake, 1,753 cases, 43 states awake. Endemic in rhythm, yet epidemic in beat. When vaccination rates fall, measles rises to its feet. Researchers warn, Marshall sings, Senpai calls, if immunity drops, the virus dances through the halls. 1954, Boston's outbreak lit the spark, a schoolboy sample guiding science through the dark. From 1958 to 1960, tests paved vaccine's way, declared 100% effective, history made in 61's day. And by 1963, the first license came, a shield for humanity carrying measles' name. The virus itself is pleomorphic, changing its disguise, yet often spherical in shape to the microscopic eyes. 100 to 300 nanometers wide, unseen in human sight. With 6 genes, coding structure building bodies for the fight, it leaves the host through sneezes, through coughs in open air, settling on surface, lingering everywhere. Touch your eyes, your nose, your mouth unaware, and the virus may follow you silent, swift, unfair. At this age, AI stands as a scholar at our side, learning from books, from articles, a global tide. Tools like ChatGPT helped us find diseases of today, explaining the tangled concept that stood in our way, refining each idea, guiding our thought, helping us understand the world that science brought. Yet questions still stand like shadow at dusk, how measles steal immunity memory, leaving bodies unjust. How long does protection last? Do boosters strengthen the chain? How do we guard the vulnerable from infections? Silent rain. We search for stronger vaccines, for shields that won't bend, for knowledge that heals, protects, and defends. Across the data landscape, consistency rings clear. Transmission source match, the story perseveres. Only one small widow whispers through the scene, a schoolboy's age, 11 or 13. But whether child or teen, the truth remains the same. His sample sparked a vaccine that changed the game. So here stands a tale of virus, science, and time, of history written in cells, now retold in rhyme. A journey from infection to knowledge refined, a story shaped by science and echoed by the mind. Record data of measles. 1757. Francis Holm showed measles is caused by an infectious agent. 1912 it became nationally noticeable in the US with 6,000 annual deaths in the first decade by CDC 2024. As of November 18, 2025, the US recorded 1,753 cases across 43 states, showing continued circulation. CDC 2025. Measles is endemic but can cause epidemic if vaccination rates drop. Marshall, 2024, Senpai et al. 2021. 1954. Virus isolated during a Boston outbreak. A sample from a schoolboy enabled vaccine development. WHO 2024. Vaccine tested 1958 to 1960 and later in large trials declared 100% effective in 1961, first licensed in 1963. WHO 2024. Morphology of measles. It is a pleomorphic virus, often spherical, ranges in diameter from 100 to 300 nanometers. The measles genome consists of 6 genes, each encoding a single structural protein. The virus exits the body when an infected person sneezes or coughs, leaving the particles in the ear or on surfaces. A person touching these surfaces and then touching the ears, nose, or mouth or inhaling these particles trapped in the air may contract the virus. Use of AI. AI analyzes user input and draws on patterns learned from resources such as books, articles, and websites to provide the best response possible. With the help of artificial intelligence tools such as ChatGPT, we were able to find communicable diseases that are current in 2025, which contributed to the completion of this paper. AI has also explained complex concepts and provided refinement when required. Recommendations for further study. Further study is needed to explore how the virus affects the immune memory and how it can be prevented or kept under control. Studying how the virus directly affects immune memory and increases risk to other diseases could help improve healthcare and management for individuals affected. Research into the durability of vaccines, the benefit of boosters, and ways to ensure the effectiveness of the vaccine. Research should be done to create a stronger vaccine for people with weaker immune systems who are naturally more at risk of infection. Consistency and inconsistency of data. Consistency. On the entry and exit of virus slide, the data are consistent because both sources provide matching information about how measles is transmitted, which increases the accuracy of the information. Inconsistency. Information is largely consistent across sources except Schoolboy's age. Who says he's 11 years old versus CDC, who claims he is 13 years old.